Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear, in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of exercise chemistry 11 chapter 8 chemical equilibrium. The first MCQs is, for which system does the equilibrium constant Kc has units of per concentration? There first of all construct the Kc expression of all the reactions and then find out the units of equilibrium constant Kc. In the following reaction, when 2NO2 is converted into N2O4, 1 mole of product is being formed from 2 moles of reactants, and Kc unit for this reaction will be per concentration. So the exact answer is 2NO2 is converted into N2O4 is the exact answer of this question. Which system about the following equilibrium is correct? 2SO2 when react with oxygen, then SO3 will be formed, and delta H means amount of heat which is released in this reaction is minus 188.3 kilojoule per mole. The value of Kp falls with rising temperature, the value of Kp falls with increasing pressure. The adding vanadium pentoxide catalyst increase the equilibrium yield of sulfur trioxide. Value of Kp is equal to Kc. There the reaction is exothermic. The given reaction is exothermic. If the temperature is increased for this reaction, the reaction will go to that side where it can absorb more heat. Hence, it will go to the backward direction. So, the value of Kp falls with rise in temperature. Next, the pH of 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per cubic decimeter of an aqueous solution of H2SO4 is there. When we solve this numerical, then we get 2.0 answer. Because H2SO4 is a dibasic acid, 1 mole of H2SO4 gives 2 proton. So 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per cubic decimeter of sulfuric acid gives 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per cubic decimeter of hydrogen ions, and pH is equal to minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. So the exact answer will be 2.7. 2.7 will be the exact answer. Next MCQs is the solubility product of AgCl is 2.0 10 raised to power minus 10 mole square Dm minus 6 of an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid. Maximum concentration of silver ions in this solution is 2.0 10 raised to power minus 10 mole per cubic decimeter, 1.41 10 raised to power minus 5 mole per cubic decimeter, 1.0 10 raised to power minus 10 mole per cubic decimeter, and 4.0 10 raised to power minus 20 mole per cubic decimeter. There, in this problem we have to determine the concentration from Ksp value. The solubility product of AgCl is 2.0 10 raised to power minus 10. The maximum concentration of silver ions can be calculated from the equation as silver chloride will be dissociated into silver ion and chloride ion, and Ksp will be equal to concentration of silver ion and chloride ion. Let's suppose concentration of silver ion equal to X and concentration of chloride ion is also equal to X, then Ksp will be equal to X multiplied by X is equal to X square, and the value of this is 2 10 raised to power minus 10, and when we solve this numerical, then we get 1.414 10 raised to power minus 5 answer. Means the concentration of silver ion is 1.414 10 raised to power minus 5. So the exact answer is 1.41 10 raised to power minus 5 mole per cubic decimeter. An excess of aqueous nitrate is added to aqueous barium chloride and precipitate is removed by filtration. What are the main ions in filtrate? Silver ions and nitrate ion only, silver and barium and nitrate ion, barium and nitrate ion only, barium and nitrate and chloride ion. There, silver nitrate and barium chloride are water soluble compounds. When the solution of these substances are mixed with each other, then a precipitate of silver chloride is produced. Means AgNO3 when react with barium chloride, then AgCl and barium nitrate is formed. In this reaction, there barium nitrate is water soluble and it exists in the solution in the form of barium ions and nitrate ions. If AgNO3 is excess, then silver ion and nitrate ion are also present in the solution. It means that silver ions, barium ions and nitrate ions will be present as ion in the solution after making the precipitate. So the exact answer is silver आयन एंड बैरियम आयन एंड नाइट्रेट आयन. देर आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.